Baratza Vario-W, advanced precision grind adjustment meets award-winning grind-by-weight technology. Dose with exact precision using the integrated scale of the Vario-W. Grind-by-weight provides repeatability across doses for improved coffee quality and consistency. Choose your dose to the 10th of a gram and save it to one of 3 customizable presets. Press Start and the Vario-W delivers just the right amount of coffee for you. Using the innovative micro-adjustment grind system, you can dial in your grind precisely across 10 macro settings, each with 23 micro steps. The Vario-W's flat ceramic burrs provide excellent grind uniformity for espresso and brewed coffee alike, and are longer lasting than steel burrs. Changing coffees is a breeze on the Vario-W thanks to the included shutoff hopper. Use the included burr removal and adjustment tools to clean and calibrate your grinder with ease. A simple twist helps set your grind range exactly where you need it. Grind and dose like a professional with the Vario-W. Baratza, we grind, you brew.